Sweet tamarind, oh how you surprise me with your myriad of benefits. It's not just a delightful treat that dances on my tongue with its tangy sweetness, it's a treasure trove of health advantages that I've come to appreciate more than I ever imagined. First and foremost, let's talk about digestion. Sweet tamarind is a natural laxative, a gentle friend to my digestive system. Whenever I feel that uncomfortable heaviness, I reach for this luscious pod. It's packed with dietary fiber, which helps to keep everything moving smoothly. It's like a little push, a nudge in the right direction, ensuring that my insides are as happy as my taste buds. I can almost feel the relief wash over me as I savor its rich flavor, knowing that I'm doing something good for my gut. Then there's the matter of antioxidants. Sweet tamarind is bursting with these little warriors that fight against free radicals. They're like tiny knights in shining armor, protecting my cells from damage and keeping my skin youthful and vibrant. I've noticed that since I started incorporating sweet tamarind into my diet, my skin has taken on a glow that I can't quite explain. It's as if the tamarind is whispering secrets of vitality to my body, encouraging it to thrive. I feel more energetic, more alive, and I can't help but think that this humble fruit plays a part in that transformation. And let's not forget about heart health. Sweet tamarind is a champion for my cardiovascular system. It's rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and keeps my heart beating steadily. I've read that maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and here I am, indulging in this delicious fruit that's doing wonders for my blood circulation. It's a sweet irony, really. Something that tastes so good can also be so good for me. I can't help but smile at the thought of enjoying a treat that nourishes my heart while tantalizing my taste buds. Moreover, sweet tamarind is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's like nature's multivitamin, packed with vitamin C, B vitamins, and magnesium. I've always been a bit of a health nut, and knowing that I can get a boost of essential nutrients from something so delectable makes me feel like I've hit the jackpot. Vitamin C in particular is a game changer for my immune system. It's like a shield protecting me from the common cold and other ailments. I can almost hear my body thanking me every time I indulge in this sweet treat, as if it's saying, yes, this is exactly what I needed. Lastly, there's the impact on weight management. Sweet tamarind is low in calories yet high in fiber, making it a perfect snack for those moments when I crave something sweet but don't want to derail my health goals. It satisfies my sweet tooth without the guilt, allowing me to enjoy a little indulgence while still being mindful of my overall well-being. I've learned that it's all about balance, and sweet tamarind fits perfectly into that equation. It's a reminder that I can enjoy life's pleasures without sacrificing my health. So here I am, embracing sweet tamarind not just for its delightful flavor, but for all the incredible benefits it brings to my life. It's more than just a fruit. It's a symbol of health, vitality, and joy. Each bite is a celebration of nourishment, a reminder that nature provides us with everything we need to thrive. I'll continue to savor its sweetness, knowing that with every taste, I'm investing in my well-being, one delicious morsel at a time.